beautiful book vending machine. Now, how do we use it? Money is not accepted into the vending machine. Book tokens are the only way to receive a book. Adding any other type of coin into the machine could damage it. How do we earn these book tokens, you ask? Preschool through first grade can earn book tokens through reading logs and other reading activities. Second through third grade can earn book tokens through AR milestones and other reading activities as well. Make sure you are super careful with your tokens. They are not replaceable. So, you've earned your token. Now what? Books are organized by our AR dot system. Select the book you would like to keep. Once you have one picked out, look at the number below the book. This one is 33. Place your book token into the slot. Use the keypad to enter your number. Double check the number you entered is on the screen above. Push enter. Watch the magic happen. Collect your book at the bottom of the vending machine. And celebrate.